In today's video, I'll teach you how to create reaction roles on Discord. First of all, once open any browser of your choice, you can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in discord.com, press enter, or instead of that you can also open the Discord application if you want. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account, right over here you'll be able to find this option for open Discord. Click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here Discord will be opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to start creating the reaction role, what you have to do is add cardboard to your server. For that, first of all, what you have to do is click on the server in which you want to add the bot. Now after you do that, you can see over here that particular server will be opened. At top, you'll be able to find the server name over here. Click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options. Click on this option, server settings. Now after you do that, you can see over here server settings will be opened. Right over here, you'll be able to find various options at left. In the section for people, at second, you'll be able to find the option for roles. Click on it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply create a new role over here. Click on this option, create role. Now you can see over here you'll be able to create a role. What you have to do is simply enter the role name over here. Now after you enter it, what you have to do is click on this option, save changes, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here that particular role will be saved. Now after you do that, proceed to add the cardboard to the server. For that, scroll down. Now under the section for apps, what you have to do is click on this option, app directory. Now you'll be led to the app directory interface. Click on the search bar that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is search for cardboard. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for cardboard and click on it. Now after you do that, right over here, you'll be able to find the option for add app. Click on it, follow through the prompts and it will be added. Right now I've already added it. Now after you add it, what you have to do is go back. Now go to the server settings again. Click on the server. Click on the server name and click on this option, server settings. Now in the server settings, again what you have to do is click on this option, rules. Now after you do that, make sure cardboard is at top. If it is not at the top, make sure to drag it at the top. Now after you do that, you can simply close it. Now go to the server of your choice and go to the channel in which you want to create the reaction role. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the message bar. Now simply type in question mark reaction role space make. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll have to enter the channel in which you would like the message to be in. So what you have to do is simply type in hash. Now you'll be able to see the channels over here. Click on the channel of your choice and press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll have to enter the title and description. You can simply copy this message. For that, what you have to do is click on this icon, copy. Now click on the message bar. Now what you have to do is press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Now you can see over here the message will be copied. Now it is the title section. Now over here you can enter the title of your own. Now again it is the description section. Now what you have to do is enter the description. Now press enter. Now finally you can see over here you'll be able to choose the color. If you do not like any color, you can simply respond with none. If you would like to choose a color, what you can do is simply enter the hex code. If you do not know the hex code, click on this link. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. This is the color picker. You'll be able to pick the color from here. Simply pick the color of your choice. Now after you do that, right over here, you'll be able to see the hex code. Click on this icon, copy, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the hex code will be copied. Now go to the Discord tab. Now what you have to do is simply enter the hex code over here and press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to add the role. What you have to do is simply pick the emoji. Click on the emoticon icon. Now you'll be able to see the emojis over here. Simply click on the emoji that you would like to use. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter the name of the role. Simply enter the name of the role that we created earlier and press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here it will respond with the green tick. Now what you have to do is simply type in done and press enter. Now you can see over here your reaction role has been created. So like this, you'll be able to create the reaction role. So that is how you create reaction roles on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.